Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Omnisend account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Omnisend API key? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get your API key to your Omnisend account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're integrating various softwares that you work with, oftentimes you're going to need an API key. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Omnisend dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Omnisend account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your Omnisend API key, here on the left menu, you're going to click on Store Settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here to the left, and you want to look for this button here called API. Once you do that, you're going to see any kind of API keys you've already set up. However, to get a new API key, click here on Create API Key. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the API key permissions. I'm going to go ahead and leave all these checked, and you're going to go ahead and name the API key. So I'll just say Marketing Platform. All right, once you've named the API key and chosen your permissions, click on Create API Key down here on the bottom right. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see your Omnisend API key right here, and you can easily just copy it to your clipboard by clicking on this button. All right, and you should see this API key copied to clipboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Omnisend API key, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.